Anxiety this evening among Discovery Bay residents about plans for further development of the beach adjoining the recently renovated Puerto Seco.
The government is insisting that the public will have access, but the citizens do not seem convinced. TVJ's Janella Pursues was in the area and filed this report.
Discovery Bay Fishing Beach, St. Anne. A debate is raging. The topic, the future of the beach. It's what these people have been talking about for months, more so since the Puerto Seco beach, which is just meters away, was leased to a private developer who carried out a multi-million-dollar facelift. Now another major project is pending in the area, a dolphin park. We contacted the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, for details about the approval. Up to news time, we did not get a response, but not all are in favor of the park.
As you can see, it's a cove, and so it's very calm, and when the dolphins defecate in the water, some of it will be remaining in there and will be damaging things like the seagrass and so on. We've had a marine biologist and marine specialist look at the situation, and they tell us the ecology of the beach will be damaged.
This has heightened concerns about beach access.
We're heading to Puerto Seco. I have to use this route. We have to walk through the water.
Walking on the sand would be considered trespassing. And now the adjoining Red Cross and Fisherman's beaches are up for development. The people are anxious about what this could mean for current users. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for climate change, Daryl Vaz, has promised that there will be consultation.
I am personally in touch with the Discovery Bay Community Development Group, who have been very active for years in relation to this particular matter, and we're looking forward to working with Red Cross, with the fishermen, the fishermen, with the persons who occupy the Fisherman's Beach now, the municipal council, which would be the St. Anne Municipal Council, and of course the government entities, including the Ministry of Tourism through the TVP and the TF.
But for the fisher folk,
we do not trust Parish Council, NEPA, or none of those agencies. So we just want to look in to see what they're coming with.
What you mean that you don't trust them?
No, they're not reputable people you can deal with. Them always tell you things and then go behind and do a different thing.
We hear about Dolphin Cove and we hear about all kind of things. We are not in agreement with these things, baby. We don't want no man with them money, believe so they have money more and we are St. Anne. And come a St. Anne with things that they can come take money and come take over the thing. No one no government come settle and settle if you sell we out, you know.
It would be great if it is free. That would be the best scenario, but I cannot say that at this point until such time as we have gone through everything and come up with what is the actual plan, the implementation, and the sustainability.
So as the future of the beach hangs in the balance, the people say they will continue to enjoy one of the few public beaches left in St. Anne. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.